What's going on, guys? It's your boy Stunner Breezy, baby, coming to you live with another one. Another lit video, baby. Hey, man, we about to get to it. Might step outside, might carry a bluesy. But we finna get to this money first, boy. Hey, I'm gonna get right to it because I got a lot to talk about. You know, I'll be looking at YouTube. These boys ain't got nothing to talk about. I got so much to talk about. I might start doing 2 videos a day, 3, 5, I don't know. But anyway, man, we're gonna talk about Drip's biggest secret that ain't nobody talking about. I ain't gonna say nobody know about it. Some people know about it, some don't, but I'm gonna get into it. You understand what I'm saying? But now, here we go. Let's talk about this piggy bank, with this piggy bank paying out. You understand what I'm saying? Look, man, we up to 1.310. That's 1,310,000 liquidity pool tokens staked in this thing, bro. And look at these payouts. Look at this. Bro, look at this. Look at it. If just look at that one. This right here is somebody's weekly check, man. This is somebody's weekly paycheck. Seriously. Just this. Hell, some people bring home this. I'm just keeping it real, not being funny. I ain't talking about this. Each one of these, man, is like its own drip faucet. How many people actually pulling out $2,500? $3,700. You know what I'm saying? $1,600 more. Like, the piggy bank is I don't care what you say. The piggy bank is paying off. Price holding up. They ain't paying out. Now I'm gonna go through all these and I'm going to compound every last one of them. And you'll see, like, look at these numbers. You'll see. If I have a chance to do it on camera, I am, but we got to get to this secret right now. I'm going to get to it. I'm going to get to it right now. You've got to see what I'm talking about. Drip's biggest secret. I'm so excited. Let's go. Yeah, let's get to Drip's big secret, baby. And the big secret is the reservoir. Nobody's talking about the reservoir. Now, I could get deeper to this thing, man, but I'm not, because it is really a technological marvel, an innovation unseen in mankind history. I'm tripping. But you got to, for real, this thing was developed over a year ago. Think about that. This is nothing new. The reservoir has been here over a year, right? And the way it works, man, is so awesome, man. I still don't know everything about it, but I tell you what, I'm going to tell my people, this thing is about to get real, because Forex is about to embark on something new. Well, I'll show you right now on the Telegram. And I'm going to come back to this and show you what you need to do, because I'm about to do it in just a minute. But let me show you, right? Go to the Telegram. So let me see. From the AMA. Check this out. Check this out. Now, I'm going to get back to the reservoir and what you should be doing. But listen to this right here. All right. So we're talking about the animal farm. I'm opening it up. Woo, blah, 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 blah. All right, let's start right here. There is a new DEX that's not PancakeSwap. There's a new DEX that's going to partner with Drip that is not PancakeSwap, that's going to provide another liquidity pool source. Forex all about liquidity. That's what this is all about, right? So check this out. The Drip BUSD pool capital will be staked with the above DEX. He's going to announce that DEX, I think, today. And the yield earned will go to buying Drip and sending it to the vault, the tax vault. 30 to 40% APY on $30 to $40 million worth of capital. That's approximately 50 to 20 million to buy Drip and put into the vault, right? Now check this out. The annual farm gonna be launching this week, next week, full opening in about 3 weeks. The dogs migration is coming this week, and full animal launch will be launching in 3 weeks, but beginning of June, I would say. But this is what I want to talk about. Looking at putting a 2% fee on deposits into the Drip BUSD liquidity pool tokens into the farm. Remember, it was 1%. Now it's 2%. I'm sure that extra 1% going. 1% goes to buy Drip and send it to the vault, the tax vault. Now, it used to go to the faucet. Now it's going to the tax vault, right? So now, 1% goes to the reservoir. See that? See if I can highlight that. It's going to the reservoir to increase Drip stability. The focus is going to the reservoir. You need to get ahead of the game, right? So now you might say, why is that important? Now I'm about to show you. Remember that 1% goes to the reservoir. That's going to create, a lot of ins and outs, a lot of focus on the reservoir. Now, I'm about to make a deposit into the reservoir. so I can show you. Hold on, I'm gonna do it on my phone. Now, I just did it on my phone. I'm gonna see how long it takes for this thing to get on in here. Let me refresh the page. Refresh. Hey, bam, there we go. As you can see, I had 0.14. Now I got 0.96. So you'll see, like, I put in 1.1. I actually put in 1.1 BNB, and I got 0.0834. So that add up to 0.096. So you don't get a lot of drops. It ain't about the, it's about this percent. This is what you're trying to get up right here. You want to get this percent stake up. That's how you get your rewards, right? So don't get caught up in, oh man, I only got, it ain't about that. You want to get this up. If you can get this over here to a 1 full drop, but you the man, boy. If you can come up and get you 1 full drop, you the man. So I'm just going to keep compounding. And here's the key. This is what you should do. And it's so simple. All you got to do is put in BNB. It's BNB in, BNB out. Your rewards come in BNB. There's a 10% tax in, a 10% tax out, right? A part of that goes into, is set forever to keep the price of drip stable. And another part goes to the rewards pool, which drop your rewards right here as people come in and out. You see what I'm saying? And that's based on your stake percent. That's why you want to get this up. Get this up. Just like you do with your faucet. Get this up. The easiest way to get this up is every time you claim and you sell, you get BNB. You don't have drops in and out, a drip in and out. You fooling with BNB. So you got BNB right here. Just put your little piece in there. You can put 0.1. Just put in 0.1 every time you claim. Put in 0.1 into the reservoir. Now, if you got more, like I just put in 1.1 BNB. If you got more, do more. Because you'll get more rewards. And then, every now and then you come here and just compound. And next thing you know, this percent going to go up. But you want to beat the new DEX. You want to get your percent up. By the time everybody start talking about it and everybody start coming in here, you want to get your percent up and start getting the rewards up. That's what you want to do. You see what I'm saying? So every time you claim and you sell, you put a piece of that BNB into the reservoir. Look at that. Look at the Autobot right there. That green, that means somebody putting in. That's either in the faucet or the drip. It's different ones that they do in the Telegram to be showing. But hey, man, your boy telling you what to do. So don't get mad at me again. Just like with the piggy bank. Don't get mad at the people that's in here that's going to be compounding. Man, they got, join the Telegram too. Let me see if I can find the Telegram. Let me see. Okay, here's the Telegram. I'll link it in the description below, man. Join the Reservoir Telegram. They got all kind of stats and figures and prices and charts and all kinds of stuff, man. I'm telling you, the Reservoir, it's just in the background. Ain't nothing major. You ain't got to put all your BNB in there. It's just in the background running, man. You making money in the faucet, the drip garden, the piggy bank, the pig pen. You add the reservoir to it. You see what I'm saying? You add the reservoir to it as another income stream. Oh, and this video right here. You need to watch this. Watch this video. I'm going to come to if I can remember the link. I think it's on YouTube too. This breaks, my breakdown is just, an overview. You know what I'm saying? I'm how to, deposit, get your weight up, compound, the money will come later, whatever. This right here breaks it down to the very last compound. This dude breaks it all the way down, but how it stabilizes the price, how much go into the reward pool, how much the reward pool pay out. Now, watch this video, bro. Watch it, man. I'm telling you. So anyway, man, let me get back over to So as you can see, this is the big secret, man. I'm telling you, and you're gonna see me. You'll see my stake percentage. Well, it may go up, it may not, because everybody gonna start joining. So that's why you gotta stay ahead of it. That compound button is how you stay ahead of it. And every time I withdraw, I'm gonna put a little bit. You're gonna see my total drops. You're gonna see it start going up. I have 1 right here. Yeah, I'm gonna have a 2 right here. I'm gonna have a 3 right here. I ain't gonna stop till I get a 1 over here. And I ain't gonna stop then. But let's get this reservoir going, man. Put your little something in here so you can see the number. You're not gonna be able to see anything until you put something in here. Put like 0.1 in here. Then you will see. It's just like the faucet. If you ain't in drip, you go to the faucet, you're not gonna see anything. So just put something in here so we can see it, man. Watch it grow together. And the numbers are down here. Here go all the stats. For all you stat guys. All the stats are right here. All the stats. Total value locked. 60 drops. Let's get that up. Let's get that up. Let's go. Here go the dividend pool. Contract balance. It done paid out with what 4,355 BNB. Already. It's done paid that out to the people that's been in it already. That's BNB. That's crazy. I don't know if that's payout or that's the reward pool. That's a dividend pool right there. I'm not sure. I got to go watch that man video. Because this is crazy. This is the payout. But anyway, man, so, hey, let's get it, baby. Put your 0.1 in here. Let's get it. Now let's go back over to the piggy bank. Back over here to the pig pen so I can start compounding, man. But I ain't gonna lie, boy. I kind of want to put a little more in that reservoir. I ain't gonna lie, man. I kind of want to put a little more in that reservoir, baby. But we're gonna get back to that. Like, you know what I'm saying? We got to build that thing up. But the reports of Drip's demise has been greatly exaggerated. And that ain't even the what. I ain't even got to the lottery scratch-offs and all that. That ain't even got nothing to do with that. That's gonna be going, man. The future is bright for the Drip ecosystem, baby. Hey. You know, so I don't see a lot of fun videos no more. They done tailed off. Where y'all at now? Compound successful. You see me, baby? People say you crazy for compounding, man. Don't compound. You crazy. I'm finna compound. If I lose, I lose. But I'm finna compound. Let's see what I was at. 11632. Oh, you gotta refresh though. So I'm gonna come through and compound, then I refresh. Come on. I know. Come on. There we go. Come on, baby. So I'm compounding. That's around about 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's around about $9,000. I'm about to compound back into the piggy bank. And I'm going to release my official strategy probably tomorrow. I'll let you know my official strategy for this piggy bank. You know what I'm saying? Because there are people all over the place. But that's good. It's a solo sport, baby. Like everybody, when you click this action button, you're going to do what you want to do. No matter what I say, no matter what Forex say, no matter what whoever say, people are going to do what they want to do. It's just, and that's fine. That's cool, baby. You know what I'm saying? So I'm going to keep doing this, man, going down the line here and do all my compounding. Like the video. Comment, subscribe. Get in the reservoir, baby. There goes some more green dot. You see it, baby. Drip, baby. You see it. You see it, baby. Hey, join the movement, baby. Let's make this money. Everybody. What my man say? Cash for all.